This cat was made from text, not filmed, not drawn frame by frame, just a prompt turned into motion. So how does a simple sentence become a moving cat? It starts with a prompt, like, make a cat animation. First, AI looks for the important details. The object is a cat, the style is cute, and the final result needs motion. Then AI needs a plan. What parts should the cat have, and what should move? A head, ears, body, tail, eyes, blinking, and tail wagging. In a code animation tool, those ideas become shapes. Circles, ovals, triangles, curves, and lines are used to build the cat. Piece by piece, the cat starts to appear. Then the still cat starts moving. The eyes blink, the tail swings, and the body bounces by changing position, rotation, and scale over time. But a video is not one picture. The animation engine renders many frames. When those frames play quickly, the cat feels alive. And this is where AI can mess up. The code might be wrong, the motion can look stiff, or the cat can become weird for a moment. So, an AI cat animation is not instant magic. It is text turned into instructions, shapes, motion, frames, and finally, a moving cat. If this made AI cat animations easier to understand, like and subscribe for more simple technology animations.